How to change Chime debit card PIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Chime debit card PIN. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Chime app. Make sure you're logged in. Then you'll need to head over to your settings. You can find the settings icon on the top left corner or on the bottom. After you're there, what you'll need to do is here you'll find an option that says your cards. So make sure that your app is up to date to its latest version. And after you do that, you can then tap on cards or your credit builder. After you do that, you can find your credit builder or your cards. So right here, you can choose physical credit builder card. And after you find that, you can also see the change PIN option. Tap on change PIN and now you can set a new PIN. You might have to type in the previous PIN if you haven't set it yet. So just type in the previous PIN and then finally set your new PIN. After you set your new PIN, your PIN for the debit card has been changed, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.